In today's video, we're going to explore a super interesting way to make $500, and you can start doing it today by simply watching YouTube videos. I know it might sound a bit unbelievable, but if you hang with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only demonstrate how it's possible, but I'll also share several methods to increase your earnings. The best part? You don't need a website or a credit card, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. This is going to be one of the most exciting videos you've ever seen about making money online. However, before we begin our video, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. If you're new to YouTube, you'll quickly discover that one of the most popular categories, if not the most popular, is video games. People love watching others play video games on YouTube more than almost any other type of content on the platform. And let's not forget, YouTube is still one of the top 2 most visited websites in the world, despite the rise of other platforms like TikTok. So while other websites are gaining ground, YouTube remains the undisputed leader in video consumption. Now here's something exciting and brand new we're going to explore. If we head over to Google and search for the most popular video games, you'll find a variety of games listed, including the likes of Fortnite, GTA V, and Minecraft. Let's focus on Minecraft for a moment. It's an incredibly popular game with a massive community and was even acquired by Microsoft for billions of dollars. Now, I'm going to show you a crucial step in this process. We'll use a free tool called Google Keyword Planner to see how often people search for keywords like Minecraft and Fortnite on Google and YouTube. So, let's dive into it. Now, let's get into the action. We'll start by typing in Fortnite and clicking on Get Results. You'll be amazed to see that Google reports around 4 million monthly searches for Fortnite. Next, let's do the same for Minecraft and click Get Results again. It turns out that Minecraft enjoys a staggering 3.35 million monthly searches, which is an incredibly high search volume for just 1 month. Now, why am I showing you these numbers? Well, it's because I want to demonstrate how you can make money online without the usual hassles. Let's be honest, many online money-making methods often involve creating a website, which can be quite challenging. Plus, some methods may require a credit card, which not everyone has. But don't worry, I'm going to show you a way that doesn't require either of these, and it all starts with Fortnite and Minecraft as our examples. This method requires only your time and no website or credit card. You can invest your time in creating passive income sources, which can later be used for self-improvement. We'll focus on a method called paid URL shortening. It involves shortening links, similar to Bitly, but with a twist. When people click the shortened link, they're directed to a bridge page where they see a quick ad before reaching their final destination. Each time someone clicks your shortened link, watches the ad, and proceeds, you earn money. It's a simple and effective way to make money online without the usual website building or payment requirements. There's a plethora of paid URL shortener platforms in 2021 offering substantial income opportunities. With over 40 options available, including platforms like Link4Ties, Shrinkarn, and ShrinkMe, individuals have the potential to earn handsomely. Some of these platforms offer as much as $220 for every 10,000 clicks, which may initially seem like a daunting number. But when strategically approached, leveraging viral content, maintaining consistency, or even employing virtual assistants, it becomes an achievable goal. Furthermore, these platforms often provide a referral system where you can earn 20% of your friends' earnings. Let's take a closer look at ShrinkMe.io as an illustration. It allows you to shorten URLs and make money effortlessly. To begin, all you need is a URL to shorten, and I'll walk you through the process shortly. For instance, a simple YouTube search for popular content like Fortnite reveals a plethora of videos racking up massive views daily, underlining the significant viewership potential for those who engage in URL shortening. This presents a compelling opportunity for individuals looking to earn money online. Now, Let's turn our attention to finding content with viral potential, specifically videos that are rapidly approaching 1 million views within a single day. Take, for instance, this video, which has garnered over 1 million views in less than 24 hours. Our next step involves copying the link to this video and then utilizing shrinkme.io to shorten it. The brilliance of this approach lies in the fact that these videos are already attracting attention and piquing viewers' interest. People are actively clicking on them. Dedicated creators have put in the effort to produce compelling content that naturally draws in Fortnite enthusiasts. So why not play a part in directing even more viewers to these videos and supporting content creators in the process? On your end, you reap the benefits without having to create, record, or invest in producing such videos. No website or credit card is necessary. Your sole task is to shorten the links of these existing videos. Every time these inherently captivating pieces of content are clicked and watched, you effortlessly earn money. It's a mutually beneficial arrangement for all parties involved. Begin by creating a free account on shrinkme.io. Upon registration, you'll access the dashboard. To commence, click New Shorten Link in the upper left corner. Then, visit YouTube to fetch the link of a high-traffic video, preferably one with 1 million views in less than a day. Return to shrinkme.io, paste the YouTube link, and click Shorten. You'll receive a shortened link. Whenever users click this link, they'll encounter ads before accessing the video content, and you'll earn money. But how do you entice clicks on your links? We'll explore that in a moment. Now, let's expand our horizon beyond Fortnite. If we search for Minecraft on YouTube, we find videos racking up impressive views. For instance, one video has over 1,900,000 views in just 15 hours, while another has 1,900,000 views in a day. This underscores the fact that people are avidly watching Minecraft gameplay videos daily. Even prominent YouTubers like PewDiePie and Dream create Minecraft content. You can apply this method to various subjects. Video games are just one compelling example. Indeed, video games are among the most viral topics on YouTube. Now, our strategy involves going where the action is. When you do a Google search for Minecraft forums, you'll discover a recently published Minecraft forum with tens of thousands of views, comments, and engagements. If you click on the forum section, you'll find recent updates and snapshots boasting over 138,000 posts, while discussions have accumulated an astonishing 826,000 posts within over 90,000 unique threads. It's truly remarkable. There are other highly popular video games like Among Us. A simple Google search for Among Us forums will present you with a variety of forums to explore and potentially tap into for your URL shortening endeavors. Let's take an example of using this strategy on a forum. Suppose you choose a particular forum for discussion, like the one for Among Us. You can craft a post that goes something like this. Have you all had a chance to check out this incredible Among Us gameplay video? It's truly mind-blowing. You can watch the video right here and then include your shortened link at the end. Another compelling forum option is forum.pcgamer.com, which sees a staggering 20 million unique page views every month, approaching 1 million per day. Consider that there are tens of millions of individuals online actively seeking engaging content related to their interests, whether it's Fortnite, Minecraft, Among Us, or any other video game. The beauty of this strategy lies in its simplicity. You can either shorten existing links or create content on platforms like YouTube to reach your target audience. If you enjoy content creation, sharing it on social media is another avenue. This approach allows you to leverage pre-existing content and forums that people are already frequenting. No website or credit card is necessary, and you can do it from anywhere in the world, making money online from the comfort of your own home. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell icon for more exciting content.